This is our power bank model H100BWA. With 10,000 mAh battery capacity, it charges an iPhone X up to 2.7 times. On the front side, it features a digital readout. Push the button on the side panel. It shows the remaining battery capacity. Push the button twice to turn off the digital readout. On the front side, there is the raised wireless charging pad. It supports up to 10 watts of wireless output. Push the button on the side panel to activate the wireless charge, and then put a mobile phone on top of it to start charging the phone wirelessly. H100BWA also charges Apple Watch. There's a concave section within the wireless charging pad. There are magnets inside to align the watch during charging. To charge Apple Watch, push the button on the side panel to activate the wireless charging. Push and hold the same button for 2 seconds to activate the trickle charging mode. Place Apple Watch on top of the concave section to start charging. There are 3 input-output ports on the top. On the left-hand side is the USB-A port. It supports QC 3.0, which is a popular fast charge standard by Qualcomm. It supports up to 18 watts of output. You would use this port to fast charge Android phones. On the right-hand side is the USB-C port, also called Type-C port, which supports PD 3.0, which is another popular fast charge standard. It supports up to 18 watts of output and input. You will use this port to fast charge your iPhone. It takes less than 30 minutes to charge an iPhone X from 0 to 50%. In the middle is the USB-B port, also called micro USB port. It supports up to 18 watts of input only. You would use this port to recharge the power bank itself. Let me show you a quick demo of H100BWA charging another device at 18 watts of fast charge mode. I'm using this LED display device to show the charging current, voltage, and wattage while H100BW is charging another power bank. I connected those charging cables. I'm using H100BWA to charge another power bank. As you can see, the charging voltage is at 19 watts, so that's fast charging. I want to show you another quick demo of H100BWA being recharged at 18 watts of fast charge mode. I will use the same LED display device. The H100BWA digital readout is flashing, meaning that H100BWA is being recharged by another power bank. The digital device showing that the H100BWA is being recharged at 18.8 watts of fast charge mode. H100BWA is with a slick and a compact design, but it's powerful enough to charge 3 devices simultaneously while itself is being recharged at the same time. Here is a quick demo. H100BWA is charging 2 mobile phones with charging cables and charging an Apple Watch wirelessly at the same time. The digital readout is flashing, meaning that the H100BWA is being recharged by another power bank.